So you're thinking about getting a chameleon? That's awesome. They're amazing creatures, but they do require some special care. First things first, let's talk about their habitat. Your chameleon will need a good-sized enclosure, preferably around 2 feet tall, 2 feet wide, and 4 feet long. They need plenty of space to climb and explore, so make sure there are plenty of branches, vines, and foliage for them to hide in. Now, let's talk about the most important thing, food. Your chameleon will need a diet of live insects, such as crickets and mealworms. Make sure you're feeding them the right amount, about 4 to 6 insects per day, depending on the size of your chameleon. You can also give them the occasional treat, like waxworms or superworms, but be careful not to overdo it. Of course, all that eating means they need plenty of water, too. Make sure you're misting their enclosure with a spray bottle at least twice a day, so they can drink and stay hydrated. You can also provide a dripper or a small water dish, but make sure it's not too deep, chameleons can't swim. Speaking of swimming, it's important to keep your chameleon's enclosure clean. Make sure you're spot cleaning any feces or uneaten insects daily, and doing a full deep clean every few weeks. This means taking everything out of the enclosure, washing it down with warm soapy water, and rinsing thoroughly. And lastly, it's important to keep an eye on your chameleon's health. Make sure they're shedding properly, and that their eyes, nose, and mouth are clear and free of discharge. If you notice any signs of illness, like lethargy or lack of appetite, take them to the vet right away. Well, that's it for now. With a little love and attention, your chameleon will be happy and healthy for years to come. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chameleon keeping!